Well, good morning, good evening. Welcome everyone, welcome great community. Happy Christmas Eve. Happy holiday time for those of you celebrating. Thank you so much guys for joining. Thank you so much for joining. Great to have you on board. Wow. How do you feel today, guys? Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning, good evening. How do you feel today? I'm not more about a trading. Yeah, it's a lot more on giving back to our great community in a huge giveaway. 200 grand. 200 grand today, guys. So I'm more about giving back, sharing, and producing great content for our community. We're not going to sit too much on the stream today. Probably for another 50 minutes, an hour. Thank you so much, guys. Certainly. At least this is the beginning of the idea of buying the house. So, where are we? A lot of gratitude to share towards our great community. And that's the main reason why we're doing today's live stream. Make a step forward and say thank you. We're live. And I wish you the best, guys. So, let me just make sure I post everything pretty much everywhere, including our Discord. For those of you that are not on our Discord, you certainly want to join. Huge thank you to you guys as well. Well, look at out there, the markets are just, running. Back above the daily opening. Back pretty much above weekly, daily VWAP. 200 EMA. Swing anchored VWAP. We're above everything. And I need to do 150 bucks here. I think I have to do a little more here to go for the max payout because it's day number 10 for YRM promotion. But let me tell you some big news out there. YRM started their Christmas promotion, guys. We talked about, I'm not sure if you are aware at this moment, but they have started their Christmas promotion. Thank you so much, guys, for your great words. Certainly, 100%. Wish you the best out there and all the great wishes. So YRM Christmas promotion, $40 with my code on their 50K. 40 bucks. Here you have the link. This holiday period for YRM is going to last till the last day of the year. They're working towards Trade-Evade and Ninja. I know that from their CEO. I talked with him yesterday. And they're working towards that. So, I don't know how soon. But it's going to take some time. I'm trading on the Volumetrica. This is the one. A web-based platform which is pretty similar to Project X. You have the market orders, limit orders. You can do basically copy trading, which is integrated in the system, right? You have an integrated copy trader right there. You can do charts trading. You can do drag and drop your stop loss, take profit from the charts. So it's smooth and easy to go along with. Very comfortable. Switching the accounts back and forth. All that stuff, right? I'm finding it a great solution. If you pass the account and put it on pause, yes. Or, oh, if it's passed, it's not going to charge you. Boldog Korachoin, exactly. Merry Christmas. If it's already passed, you don't get charged. If it's not passed, you do get charged. But if you pass, you are not going to get charged. Correct. So let's just do an exercise. If you buy, for example, today, as an example, 10 accounts of the 50K evaluation, and you pass them all, you know you can only have 3 funded. Whether they come from an instant funded scenario or from a challenge, it doesn't matter. 3 funded. So you activate 3, 7 will remain. What do you do with the 7? You keep them on pause. Will you get charged? No, because the accounts have passed the evaluation, so you don't get charged. The Instant Prime, big deal. This is the place yesterday we qualified for the payout for the Instant Prime account. For those of you that haven't seen, we quickly got the certification. We quickly got paid on Rise, about 20 minutes. There's going to be a video on my channel with the entire procedure, thinking about... No. They do not rebill a failed account. There is no reset. So once the account is failed, it's done with any form of subscription and billing. It's also closed, right? The billing system for that account is closed. There's no rebilling for something that has been lost, and you cannot reset. You have to buy a new one. There is no reset option of something. You have to buy a new account. This is day number 10, guys, here. Let me just quickly do my math once again on this account. It's day number 10, which means we could actually qualify for the payout today. But we have a day of 1,015 bucks. 1,015 times 5, because of 20% consistency, as we're trading the Instant Prime, Instant Funding accounts. 150K, they do come out at 450 bucks with my code. This is not going to go lower. As you can see, even with a Christmas promo, it's still sitting at 450 on my side. Yeah, let me tell you something. Before I touch bases on the account we got to trade today. The 50K starter accounts, or basically all the starter accounts, even the 150K is extremely well discounted. Probably about 130 bucks for a $150,000 account. So let me tell you something. When you're doing your evaluation, yes, I'm certainly aiming more than 150 bucks today. Certainly. Market opens in about, what is it? About 40 minutes or something like that. You know, we're used to prices, for example, on the 50K. Even without discount, it used to be 47. And with my code, 44. From 1st of January, there is going to be a massive upgrade on the pricing for the evaluations. You're not going to see the pricing of the 50K below $60. Right? So from 47, they're going to move it above 60. I think between 60 and 70, it has not been fully decided where, but this is what I have been told. Between 60 and 70 is going to be the new price of the 50K starting by 1st of January. Right, and this is the last promotion in this particular part. The new category of prices will be totally different. So 1,015 bucks our highest day. We got to do 5,075 for us to be able to have a 20% consistency, and we have 4,361. Let's just do the math. We need 715 bucks today. And we're gonna be able to take the max payout, 2,500. So let me just see how we can do that 715 bucks. You can accumulate as many evaluations as you want. You can do copy trading. And if you have more than 3 funded, you gotta pause them. If the evaluation has been passed or lost, there is no monthly rebilling. It's very likely you pass the evaluation or you lose it in 30 days. I never heard anyone spending more than 30 days on a evaluation that's $40. Look at that one, guys. Hey, celebrating on the fireworks today. We got to do $700, and that's gonna be interesting if it's possible during this market. It's not easy. It's not easy today. Look at that. We've grabbed our first long. Even 20-30% is not bad. Really complicated day. No monthly rebilling if you pass the account. Or if you lose it, of course. So if the evaluation is passed, you're not going to get rebuilt. It can be paused and you're fine with it. Welcome, everyone. 20-30%. You want to work on your risk management and it's going to improve from there. Certainly the risk management with the stop losses. Entries could give you a very good edge on that because you want to go risk-free after a good entry. No, Lucid is never rebilling. No. About a Savius. Yes. Savius will have a $300,000 promo, and I will announce it. Yesterday, I've negotiated the promotion, and it's going to be like you never seen before. So Savius 300K accounts are going to be like never seen before, such discounted. You're going to get scared when you see the price, guys, of 300K accounts on Savius. I'm telling you. But I'm going to announce the promotion once it goes live. If you buy 10, do you only have 30 days? I mean, depends, because you can trade for longer than 30 days. If it takes you more than 30 days, you can trade for a longer period of time. I'm going to put my stop loss there, guys, but I think we could see a nice candle to the upside, a green parabolic move here, taking that 500. What do you guys think about? Are they? And we got it. We got it, guys. $456. We still need to make a little money, but this is very important. This is very important that we got into this one. 456. We got to do 720, 715. Boom. And we're taking max payout. Making money during these conditions is not easy. Look at that one. Yeah, certainly. The price you're going to get on the Savius 300K promo was never ever available till this moment. It was a heavy negotiation that I run with them. Or a great community, I told them, certainly deserve a good price for that. Well, you have your trailing, you have your max loss, you have your daily loss, which is a hard breach there. 456, we got to do 720. With 720, I'm taking max payout today. And let's not forget, I have a Lucid account the last day today. We need to do $250. Last day today on a Lucid, $250 is needed. Keep that in mind too. It's day number 5 on a funded account on a Lucid Flex. So, where are we? Make sure to sign up the giveaway. Don't forget about it. Thank you so much, guys. All the best wishes. Made a new high. Yeah, this is not going to be easy to attack higher levels. We still got to do... No, they don't have trade of 8. No. Quant Tower, Volumetrica, this guys. 720. We got to do around $270. $270 more. Testing out a little short here. Going for that target, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Bring it down. Bring it down, baby. That's going to give me $300. And I think with that one, we're hitting the... There you go. 707. We still need more. $15. But we're going to celebrate, guys. You know, the market makers are delivering. 707 profit at the blink of an eye. Big celebration time with all the fireworks going back and forth. Boom. We still need $10. Look at that one. 10 to 15 bucks. Come on. Let's go. And let me open up my Quant Tower. We got to do $250 on my Quant Tower for the last day on the Lucid Flex. $250. I'm gonna, you know, I'm trading on the micros. And we're gonna start from 2 micros. $4 a tick. Well, if you need that much to pass... 1,000 to pass. Don't force it today, guys. Don't force it today. Yes, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, but the thing is, you can have exceptions you should not abuse. Right? You can have exceptions you should not abuse. I'm going to trade 2 micros. That's the way I'm going to start. And then DCA if things are having an opportunity. Otherwise, we don't DCA blindly into a big loss. We got to do that $720 out there. Merry Christmas, good morning, happy holidays. For those of you celebrating, wishing you all the best, guys. All the best out there. It's time to give back to our community. 200 grand. I don't know what to trade here. I'm not convinced about this high is capable giving me a demand here. I'm not convinced if I'm not convinced about that one, guys. Let me see the price section. The 5-minute is ugly. Then the 5-minute has been running to the upside for the past 2 hours and 20 minutes continuously. So it's not an easy trade. This is an interesting situation that I'm going to long. This one. This is an interesting candle here. We have a little fair value gap around the 826. If we reject this once again, three contracts, 3 micros. Take profit there. 3 points higher. Come on, guys. That's all we need. It's at the beginning of the fair value gap there on the 1 minute. It's really doable, right? Give me that 20 bucks, so I'm going for the max payout. We're trading the Nasdaq. Three micros. We only need 15 bucks for the max payout. Already made 700 here. Adding another contract to this. Come on. Just a little more, guys. We just had the flat hour algo starting on the volatility, but there's not much behind it. Give me something. A single point is needed here. Why do we have to wait so much? A single point. 4 micros. Making that 700 was a lot easier. Let's see if we hold here. Yeah. You know, I'm gonna cut this one if it becomes ugly. I'll cut you right away. I'll cut you right away. We only need 2 points, guys, from here. We have DC'd a little bit. So I've decreased my target. 2 points from here. Nah. Gotta look for an entry on the daily opening. 8:15. 8:15 daily opening. No worries. Put some limit buys on that daily opening we have, where we could actually see the price action bouncing nicely like this. You know, for me, it's going to be enough if it does this little bounce here. I'm not really stressed because that's just, you know, 20 bucks that's needed. And even if I'm just closing out on 100 or 150 loss, not an issue. It's not about you're about to close the account and lose it, right? I think that's way more stressful. Christmas promotion for the YRM. Big money on board. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed. Join our Discord too. You only need 10 days of 150 bucks and 20% consistency. It has no payout target. No payout target, very interesting. We brought it to 155 because we made our highest day 1,000. So we needed that 20%. But you only need from the prop firm requirements 150 bucks for 10 days. So for example, and that's, you know, it's the instant funding 150k accounts on the YRM. got something filled up, right? Speaking about the daily opening here, let's see if it holds. Daily opening. Could give us something. We only need 3 points from here. Look at that. Look at that. Daily opening. Look at that. We only need 2 points from here, guys. Come on. We have DCA'd. Yeah, closed. Adding more to this. Less than 3 points here, guys. 2 points needed. Come on. There's not much to go from here. I'll think about early today, right? Just DC8. Yeah. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Just a little bit more. What happens to your drawdown? If you're only aiming for 10 days of 150 bucks and you take all the money out, you remain without funds and you will lose the account. But you can buy a new one, and the new one has $6,000 drawdown. If you're speaking about the one I'm trading, 150k instant funded. Right? So you either build your buffer and draw down, or you just buy it again. Depends on you. Depends on your desires and the way you want to do it. Come on, guys. That's, unheard of not to do a point from here in the way those 2 1-minute candlesticks are looking with those wicks. You got to take the liquidity from the highs. What are you doing, guys? There you go. 722, guys. It's confirmed. The profit is there. We're going to celebrate. We're going to celebrate, guys. We're going to celebrate. And guess what? We also made money on the Flex account. I just traded that one on Quantara in the same time. I'll show you right now. I just couldn't be on 2 different trading softwares to show you. Boom. Boom, guys. 722. That's actually sufficient for the whole profit needed. And let me share with you what's been happening on the Quantara. In the meantime, 477 here. The balance is 157,887. Basically, this is the Lucid Flex account. Let me share with you guys. We are on fire. I have not been told the price of the 150k to go up from January in terms of the instant funded. I do know the evaluations are all going up, but the instant funded for the moment, as far as I know, it remains. Right, so let me look into my Lucid account and see if this one is ready for the payout. We are on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Come on, guys, make sure to like the video. We've got a good session today as well. We had back-to-back great sessions. Today we've cashed out. Yesterday we did the same, which is this one. This is the account. This is the account, great fellas. Let me share with you. Look at that. This is the account, basically, on the 24th today. It's the 5th day. This is the Lucid Flex account that's funded. It's the 5th. We made 477. We got a total profit there. That's very good. So the standard price for the YRM evaluations will go up. The standard price will be above 60 bucks for sure. We'll take the max payout, 3,000 here. Right, for the max payout, you need 156. We got 157,887. Look at that. This is the Lucid Flex. There you go. Look at that one. 157,887. You know, for the max payout, we need 6,000 bucks, because you can always take out 50% on a Lucid Flex. Max payout is 3,000, so for 3,000 to be 50%, you need to do 6,000. You got no consistency. You got no consistency and no activation fee on both sides. Whether we talk about a Lucid or whether we talk about the YRM, no activation fee. How do you get the calendar on YRM? There is a dashboard here that you want to log in, right? So on the official page, on the main website, there is a dashboard here. And inside that dashboard area, you have the possibility. Just request a new password and grab your login for that dashboard area. I still want to trade my second cycle. Second cycle Lucid account, guys. The one we got paid yesterday. This one. This one. We got paid yesterday on this one. Thank you. Alright, guys, so we're taking this kind of discussions away. And we're not going to get into any such conflicts. Alright. This is going to be the first day here. We already had 2,600. If I make another 2,000 and so, at 6K we're able to take max payout. Much better price action will return, but even with this one, we should be able to produce. I mean, we made money today. I didn't expect it to make that 700 bucks on YRM today and go for the payout there, guys. Honestly, did not expect that. It's just crazy, right? I didn't expect it, that. Fifteen minute looks pretty ugly, guys. That's why I'm testing a little short here. Let's see if we get it back into the wick. No, it's not too much risk, 1 mini for a 50k account. It's not too much. We're very close to have the possibility DCA into this one here. We might get a rejection of this green candle and the market turning into that wick we made earlier. Wouldn't be bad. We just got a little bouncing going on from the daily opening. Look at that one, guys. Daily opening bouncing. Oh, I just made a video for the Lucid guys. Lucid Flex versus Lucid Instant Funded. Lucid Pro, you know, big differences. Keep in mind with a Lucid Flex, you have no payout target, no consistency on the funded stage. Keep that in mind, and that's insane. No payout target, no consistency. Yeah, around the 800s. So I would welcome the price action back into the 800s. 8 minis. Crazy, right? 8 minis short into this price action. But I would take a movement all the way into the daily volume weighted average price, all the way back to 804, 805. Let's see if we get it there. It's going to be about $2,000. The best firm today, Lucid with YRM. And then we also trade nicely with Tap 1 Futures, Savius. But the best one today is basically right there. Lucid is great. YRM is great as well. These are my favorite top 2 right now. $2,000 is your max loss for the 50k. Do not cross that. 1-2 minis if you're happy with the adrenaline. If you want to be conservative, you want to get into the micros for sure. Yeah, 8 minis, huge risk. But I'm trade days there. I'm not trading trade day, but you know, it's a decent company. I'm not trading those guys for the moment. Lucid is a big deal, guys. Think about no consistency and no target on the funded stage for the flex accounts, which at the moment it is around $78, no activation fee for the 50K. When you have no consistency and no target is something else. You saw that earlier. We had basically a nice session, 3 sessions that were great last week. And they were producing a lot. The evaluation is at 6% for the Lucid Flex. So you don't have a target on the funded stage and consistency, but you do have 6% target for the evaluation stage. I'm putting break even, guys. Would love to see a continuation here to my target. 50% consistency for the Flex evaluation. No scaling on the funded for YRM. How can you take profit or loss per trade according to 50K? Well, depends what do you mean by that. I mean, usually you want to do that at the places you decide. I'm putting my break even at the top of the wick we made here. I'm here taking $2,000 in the first day of the second cycle for this flex account. Yesterday we got 5 days, we got paid. I'll take that $2,000 in this trade if we get down to 805. No scaling for YRM, yet there is scaling in the Lucid Flex funded stage. Yep. 200 grand is what we're sharing today. It's hard to make a choice between the two. It's hard to make a choice. Yet if you would like to qualify for an easier payout, then obviously the YRM 150K instant funded, $6,000 drawdown. And you got to do minimum 10 days of $150 each. So that's the easiest in terms of reaching the payout. Max 3 funded. Lucid allows you 5 funded, right? So probably the best strategy for early 2026 is to have 8 funded accounts, 3 on YRM, 5 on the Lucid. And if you get 5 Lucid Flex funded, that's gold mine, guys. You can copy trade unlimited evaluations for the YRM, but only have 3 funded accounts. So you just pause the evaluations. Look at that one, guys. Looks pretty good. We're moving our trailing right above the wick of the candle we are right now. And we're printing nice money here in the short, 8 minutes short. In the first day of the second cycle for this Flex account, we got paid yesterday. So you can trade unlimited evaluations, but only have 3 funded. The rest will go pause. If the evaluation is confirmed, is passed, you don't get recharged. Thank you, CyberPie. Thank you, appreciate it. Max payout, 2,500 is on the 150K account, first payout. And then with every payout, basically the second payout will be 3,000, the third payout 3,500, and the fourth payout, and coming from the fourth payout higher, it's $6,000 per account. I do have some indicators on my chart on TradingView. I do use some. Alpha Futures is a decent company, but we're not trading it. We've got much better choices for our community. Thank you so much, guys. Streaming from Monday to Friday. No streaming tomorrow and Friday, but we're getting back on 29th and 30 for sure. So Monday, Tuesday next week, we're going to stream. And then we're going to get back in the usual schedule from the 5th of January 2026 with daily streamings, daily giveaways. Yeah. I can already trade 8 minis. Exactly. We brought the account pretty high. Even the other one, which is on 157, we brought the account pretty high. Oh, come on, come on. Some of the contracts have been filled up. Some of them. We're only 2 contracts left out of 8. So 6 contracts have been filled up, guys. Some profit has been secured. 1,600 has been secured. But this is the place where the volume weighted average price is sitting, guys. And that's why we got initial reaction. And the entire order has been filled up. $2,000 profit in the first day. Time to run the show. Back-to-back profits qualifying for a payout on YRM. Bringing a flex to the payout earlier and making 2,000 in your first day on an account you got paid yesterday is an amazing day, guys. An amazing day. All the way down to the level we needed. Yep. Join our Discord community. Thank you so much, guys. It's free. And 200 grand for the giveaways. I'm trading some top on futures right now, my Ignite account.
Order filled.
Testing out a little long.
Order filled.
Why do I...
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Why do I have the micros turned on?
Order filled.
Should be on the minis.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
42 micros. Come on. Interesting reaction here. Stop loss break even. We only need $500 for the target here for this account. 500. Lucid Flex is uncomparable. Uncomparable.
Order
with the
filled.
Pro. Break even has been touched here. We made 42 cents. Silly price action has been brought back. Lucid Flex is having no consistency, no payout target on the funded stage, and no buffer on the payout. No buffer. Markets dropping right before the opening bell. Look at that. There's 2 minutes to go. Our giveaway will start soon, guys. All giveaways, 3 giveaways were... No, actually, we're going to do 2 giveaways today. 200 grand totally. I'm not sure about a top step current situation. We're with Flex right there having an amazing time, so... I'm going to trade this account as well. On a little long here. I like to do 150 bucks here. $150 here. This is the account for the YRM we got paid yesterday, and this would be the first day. So I like to do just 150 bucks.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, Scramble always works for the highest discount available. 40% off for some accounts, 35% for the other, depends. You enter the giveaway by completing the form. Scramble coupon code at this companies will always give you the maximum discount. The market opens right now. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Bring it up to a target 199 profit. Thank you.
Order filled.
Profit here at $500 as well. 199 here, absolutely expected. Profit here 500. Let's just run the celebration. We have no losses today. No losses. Boom. We just had a bunch of payouts. Yeah, Lucid you can trade in seconds. Lucid has Project X, yes. YRM, I think they're, let me see quickly in terms of their schedule announcements here. Markets close early today. And it counts as a separated day on the 24th. Right, so it's a separated day today for the YRM. What a big rejection, guys, on the candlesticks. You know, we're gonna call it a day here and start the giveaways in about 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure to sign up. Here's the link. 10 seconds rule, but certainly not a hard breach. Exceptions are allowed. And if you're not having your core strategy around it, you're fine. Thank you, Jake, for joining. Thank you so much, and I wish you the best. Wish you the same great feelings. Thank you for being with us for a long time here. All the right things in the world for you guys. What a lovely time. Yeah, it's not a hard breach, it's a soft one, and you gotta obviously not base your strategy, your core trades like that, and do not force it. Thank you, guys. Yeah, so the last week's sessions, along with this one, have been going really well, taking us into the payouts. Today, securing 2 more. Basically, this week, we got around $10,000 in payouts, with today's one included. Unexpected. Unexpected, honestly. But very well positioned. And a $2,000 day. Yes, Lucid has 5 seconds in terms of 50% of your trades profit. Not of your trades, basically. 50% of your profits needs to come from trades you held at least for 5 seconds. So minimum 50% of your profits needs to come from trades you held at least for 5 seconds. $2,000 in the first day, guys, on the account we got paid yesterday, Lucid Flex. No consistency. No target. You know, if I do 4 more days of 250, it's just gonna be great. But without consistency, you let your winners run, and it makes you money. Hope you guys have the best Christmas time and of course the best holidays, celebrating and enjoying. Thank you so much, guys. Wisdom, very important. Wisdom, security, and health. Health is the most valuable thing instead of wealth. We can't build wealth without health. Very important to be healthy. And then it's not so important to be wealthy, guys. It's not the most important thing. Once you have it, once you have your financial security fixed, once you have a level of predictability, you discover with every single additional money you're making, the value decreases. Every single additional value of money you're making, the value decreases the more you have. It's important to have it. It gives security, predictability. It allows you to have services. It allows you to have quality services. If you need 200 grand for a surgery, you realize how important the resources are. And if you need to spend some resources to save a life, you also realize how important the resources are. But these are obviously exceptions. Speaking about my strategy, well, careful with the news trading, 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, 4 minutes window with the YRM. And the news are listed on the website. They have the ones you got to be careful. Let me share with you guys. It's another thing for the YRM. Help center. Rules. Economic calendar, events, and trading protocols. And this is the place about the news you got to be careful. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. You don't open up a trade during this 4 minutes segment. You can have trades that you have opened before the restricted window and still hold it through this timing. No problem. Alright guys, so let's just wrap up the thing and wrap up the day. Keep in mind, we will resume streaming on 29th, Monday. So we'll have a couple of days off. Yes. Correct. After the payout, if you leave $100, so for example, if you're making 2,600, you take out 2,500, $100 remains. Your max loss will go to your original balance plus $100. The payout on YRM was 20 minutes. Yeah, she feels a lot better. She's already able to walk. And we're very optimistic. So we're good, guys. We're always good. Even when time is difficult, we're fighting back and counter-attacking the challenging moments. You never let yourself down. That's the time you want to prove that you got quality, you are strong, and obviously you have value. So, a buffer, no buffer. You just want to leave $100 in the account. Merry Christmas to you, buddy, as well. Wish you all the best for you and yourselves and your family. No buffer, just $100. That's the only thing you want to leave in the account. $100. It's needed. Alright guys, so streaming from Monday to Friday. But now it's time to wrap up the things. 2,000 made here on this flex. No opening bell. Sorry for that. The same payout conditions are on the evaluations that you are transforming into funded. The same payout conditions, the same caps. The giveaway starts, guys, in 2-3 minutes. Let me just switch towards the page. So we got the wheel. And we got the ducks. That's what we got. We got the wheel and we got the ducks. My personal favorite prop firm today is the Lucid along with the YRM. Make sure you sign up, guys, for the giveaway. We're 235 on the stream. And there's 200 people sign up. There's about 30 guys that did not sign up the form. And if you're winning, you can't claim the account. You got to be signed up on the form. All right, guys, so let's take it step by step. Let's take it step by step. How to join. We're having 2 giveaways today. Two giveaways of 200,000 totally. 2 giveaways of 200,000 totally. We had a great session today. I would say an amazing one, hitting 2 payouts. So, how to join? Yes, 200K in accounts, of course. We might be able to switch that if we got some donors. 200K in cash. What do you guys think about? But we got to do some advertising for that and have around 10,000 people on the stream. 10,000 people on the stream, 200K in cash. If you bring Bitcoin to 500,000 by the end of January, could be an idea. Could be an idea. Yeah, you got to fill the form for the giveaway. You're not going to be able to win the giveaway without that one. Right, so the last time I'm sending you the link, guys. Alright, so first giveaway will be 50K IRM. 50K YRM account. How to join the giveaway. Everyone needs to like the video. Yes, you gotta do the next things. Like the video. Be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. We got a holiday schedule. Right now it's different. But as soon as the new year starts, from the 5th, we're getting back to our regular schedule. Streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. EST time, daily giveaways, live trading, and a lovely community with educational materials. And then the third thing besides the form is to join my Discord. These are the things you gotta do, guys. Come on. I'll give you another minute or so. Well, you can tell if you're joined because you receive a thank you page. Once you complete a form, you will be brought to a thank you page with all the offers off the market. The first account is $50,000. YRM. A single guess per person. I'm going to put up some numbers. Watch the ratios. Be careful. Watch the ratios and be careful when you decide on the number. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple numbers. The first one is YRM 50K. Let me think about, guys. We're going to have 10 zeros. We're going to have 10 zeros and 2 number 2, 3 number 3, and 3 number 7. Right? So 10 zeros, you can start right now. You can start right now. 10 zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, and 3 lucky 7s. Best of luck, everyone. Come on, $50,000 YRM. Best of luck, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and complete that form. Thank you so much, guys. Ten zeros, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, and 3 number 7. Best of luck, guys. You can stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. First round is over. First round is over. Let me just go out there and shuffle this. Organize a little different. Organize this a little bit different. This way. We're going to have it this way, guys. Best of luck. Thinking about that yellow 0 after the number 3, so in between number 3 and number 2, that yellow 0, what do you guys think about it? That yellow 0. Are we going to get there? Or this is going to stop on the number 3? How is the pedal today? That's a 0, guys. Look at that one. That was very close with the number 3. Congratulations for the winners. If we have more than 100... If we have more than 100, I'll take you basically to the second round of the duck race. Top 3 will go second round of the duck race. Let me log into the platform for the premium version. Otherwise, we're not allowed to have that many players. Alright, guys, so let's just find it out. How many winners do we have? 105 winners. Ho ho! There's going to be a second round for the duck race. A 105 winners. There's going to be a second round for the duck race. So you guys will compete for 2 minutes. And the top 3 will go to the second round. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have one more once we finish this. Best of luck, guys. Good luck. Good luck, everyone. Come on. Let's go. top 3 will go to second round this race. Well, the top 3 will go second round. You want to guess a number. If your number comes out, you get into the duck race. If we have more than 100 winners in the duck race, there's 2 rounds of duck races. Top 3 will go second round, and then the winner of the second round takes the account. If we don't have 100 winners of the wheel, there's no 2 rounds of duck races. It's just a single round. The winner of that duck race will take it all. Your name is right there, MattCFX. I can see you. Keep in mind, not all the ducks do appear on the screen. Some of them are way behind. Your name is there. Depends. The last 6-7 seconds, guys, your ducks gotta speed up. Come on. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. This is the first giveaway. We're gonna have one more. Gunner, I see you speeding up, Gunner. And there you go. Gunner is the winner here, is ranked number 1. We have Tony and K Trades. These are the 3 guys, top 3. Look at that one, guys. Time for me to see if you have sign up on the list. If you have sign up on the list, let's find it out. If you completed a form. So we've got Gunner that you completed a form. Yes, congratulations, you're confirmed. Then we've got Tony with a single N. Tony, you also completed a form. Congratulations. And then we have K Trades. Did you complete it? Yes, you also completed a form. Congratulations, guys. So all the 3 completed a form. Time to take them to the second round of this. Gunner, Tony, and K Trades. I'll multiply you like this. I'll multiply you like that. And you're going to compete for 30 seconds for the big prize of the account. Best of luck, guys. Come on. Best of luck, everyone. Keep in mind, we have another giveaway. And you want to do the math. If today we have a 200 grand total giveaway show, and this was 50k, and the next one is the last giveaway, how much is that gonna be, guys? Looks like K Trades takes the account today, and it is our first grand winner. Congratulations, buddy. Great job. Look at that one. You got this. You got this. Congratulations, buddy. Hey. Do the math, guys. Come on. Let's do the math. If this giveaway was 50k, and we've got 2 giveaways today, totally 200 grand, how much is going to be the next? That's right, Oliver. That's right, buddy. 150k. You know what? The next giveaway is going to be 150k Lucid Flex account. The next giveaway is going to be a big deal. We never did this. 150k Lucid Flex account. Time to run the fireworks for our buddy. We also had big money, big profits, profits everywhere, no losses today, just like yesterday. Boom. Quick fireworks show for our buddy. So let me tell you guys, we're doing 150k Lucid Flex. You know which is that one, right? It's this. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex, 150k, 220 bucks. It's the one we got paid yesterday. It's the one we made today 2 grand. It's the one we traded today, the next one we have, because we have multiple. And we got the 5th day And we're going to request the max payout. It's this one, guys. This is what we're sharing. 150k Lucid Flex account. It's not a bad idea, right? Make sure to keep in mind, Scramble coupon code, highest discounts existing on this planet. When you leave the planet, you use a different code. Good stuff. Good stuff, guys. So let me think about the numbers, because that's the most difficult part, guys. Thinking about the numbers and how do I mess these numbers up? How do I, tweak this thing to make it as tricky as possible? Or I have the other choice. You can see that on my hand. I got a ring. So, obviously, must be some special numbers. We're going to do it this way. Not a bad idea. All number 7, not a bad idea. Listen up, guys, the way we're going to do it. Listen up, guys. We're going to do 10 number 7. 10 of them. We got to do something special, right? A single 0. And that's it. 10 number 7 and a single 0, guys. You can start right now. 10 number 7 and a single 0. This is a 150k Lucid Flex account. Make sure you're subscribed, you've completed the form, and you did everything that's needed. $10 number 7 and a single 0. Let me question that. Before you say this is rigged, what if it hits that 0, guys? What if? What if you hit that 0? Only the Braves. Well, this is a 150k account, guys. If you're risking your choice on the 0, it could happen on the zeros, right? When you play the roulette, you know, none of the numbers are repeating. But one of them comes out. Always comes out, right? None of the numbers are repeating. And one of them always comes out. So, what's the chance at roulette? 2-3%. It always comes out. 2 or 3% chance of that number. So, the percentage here is a little bit less than 10%. But keep in mind, guys, we're sharing a 150k Lucid Flex account in this one. That's a big one, guys. That's a big one. So we're going to put a stop right there right now. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. Let me think about something, guys. If we have more than 100 winners, which will be quite obvious for the number 7, top 5 will go to the second round. From the top 5, we'll take top 2 and we'll do a last round. That's the way it's going to be if we hit number 7. If we hit the number 0, guess what? Give me an idea. Best of luck, everyone. Let me, where do you want me to shuffle this? Which color do you want the 0 to be? Do you want it to have it on red? Do you want it to have it on yellow? Do you want to have it on blue? We're going to have it on green. Which one is going to attract it, guys? I think there's more than 20 winners if the 0 hits. I'm going to shuffle this till it goes on green. There you go. We're having it on green, guys. Best of luck, everyone. We're having it on 41 rolling the dice on 0. Look at that one. We got a number from Badger. 41 rolling the dice on 0, but that's not going to be the 0. The wheel is not going to move to the 0 from here, guys. It's going to stop earlier, probably on the red or on the blue, number 7. You got this, guys. You told me to put it on red, and it would have been pretty close right there. Ho ho. That's going to be a number 7 confirmed. That's going to be a number 7 confirmed. So that 41 guys that went for the zeros, unfortunately. Again, if we have more than 100 winners, we'll take top 5, run a second round, and then we'll take top 2 and run a third round. This is the biggest account out there. Biggest account out there, we're doing 150k. I think we have a long list from Badger. 165 winners. 165 winners for the duck race. Top 5 will go the second round, and you guys will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 165 winners. Congratulations. 41 decided to go for the jackpot on the 0. But that's going to be top 5 for the second round. Top 5, and then we do another one with top 2. Make sure you complete the form, guys. In 2 minutes, the code is going to come to your inbox if you forgot about it. So this is 150k Lucid Flex. This is the place and the account where you will be able to take $3,000 payouts. No activation, you don't need to pay anything to spend on this. Take the account and bring it to the payouts. The winner that's taking this account and is bringing to the payout, promise me something today. Today. Promise me something, the winner. Such as, if you take it to the payout of 3,000, this account, that you give $500 in cash back to the community and we do a giveaway with the entire $500. We give that $500 to the community. What do you guys think about this idea? The winner of this account, if takes it to the payout, which is something just the winner knows, I don't know. $3,000 payout. Takes $500 and shares with our community in cash, and we will do it on a giveaway. What do you guys think about this? 1,000 using the pedal and let you win. Gotta think about it. Give me a minute. Give me a minute and I'll think about it. Give me 40 seconds and I'll think about it. Right, so we have the messages here with the people that promised. We have the messages here with the people that promised. Badger is top level. Badger is our incredible community member, along with Ronin, which is helping our Discord community. Wish you the best, guys. Wish you the best. 4 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Tell me, who's going to speed up for the top 5? We got a gun here, Tony. And then we have the top 5 like that. That's the way it looks like. That's the way it looks like. Now, obviously, they need to be completing the form. So we're going to take it step by step. That's the way it's looking, guys, of the top 5. But there's a lot of the players here that were pretty close. Whoa. Let's see, Tony. Are you on the list here? Did you complete the form? Yes, Tony is confirmed. Ismail? Are you? Yes, you are confirmed. Caveman, did you? Yes, Caveman is also here. Trade Max. Let's see, buddy. Yes, you are confirmed, Trade Max. Look at that one. And then Muhammad. This is the same. Muhammad is not here. Yeah, it is here. It's the second guy. I was looking for the first one, but it's the second guy. Muhammad B. Muhammad B is there. Alright guys, so the top 5 confirmed it. Unfortunately, Big Frank, you had a decent chance there if one of the above ones were missing. Not the time. Let's take this guys to the top 5. To the second round. Let's take this guy to the second round. Right, so the first one is Tony. Oops. Tony. Ismail. And then we have the Caveman, right? And then we have Trade Max. And we have Muhammad B. This 35 guys. Top two will go in another round. I'll shuffle you and you're good to go, guys. Come on, let's find it out. I promise you to have another big surprise next week as well. Our next stream is going to be Monday. I promise you to have another big surprise, guys, next week as well. In terms of huge giveaways. Who's going to take it? Top 2 will take it. Top 2 will take it. Remember about my idea. If you qualify for a payout, this is an idea suggestion. $500 back to the community. Think about it. Who's gonna speed up, guys? Top 2 will have to speed up. Caveman. We got Tony and possibly Caveman. Oh, look at that one. Tony and Caveman. Hey. That was pretty close, Trade Max. Pretty close. Pretty close. Are you here, Tony? And Caveman. You guys made it. So let's just ask these two guys. Let's just ask these two guys. In front of the community right now. Tony and Caveman. If you're taking this account to the payout, 3,000 or even less. Let's just secure all the corners. 3,000 or even less from the first payout. If you're taking this account, are you willing to accept the challenge to give back $500 in cash to our community, and we do it all giveaway? What do you guys think about? Are you guys ready for that? Let me know. Let me know before we start the next round. Caveman and Tony. Let me know, guys, your response. Could be any. Could be any. You're not constrained. You're not obligated to do it. But our community wants to know. So am I. Our community wants to know that. Let me know. Tony and Caveman, let me know your answers. Let me know your answers. Tony said yes. We'll get you like this. And we'll keep you on a minute. Caveman says if he can afford it. Sure. It's your choice and you do it as you guys want. No worries. There is no pressure. There is no problem. We're going to shuffle this a little bit. We got a Christmas duck right there for the Caveman. We got a Trump on Tony. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Let's go. Best of luck, guys. Last giveaway for today. We're continuing Monday. Who's going to win, guys? Who's going to win? This is a big account. 150k Lucid Flex. That's going to be huge. 20 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up? Someone is going to speed up, guys. Tell me. Who are you cheering for? Who are you cheering for? Let me know, guys. Come on. The Red Tony comes in. Red Tony comes in. And he's taking it. He's taking it, guys. Congratulations. Red Tony. The shorts are the ones winning today. Look at that one. And there you go. Tony confirmed also to give back $500 in cash. If he is getting to that. Congratulations also for Caveman to getting to this point. It was not easy. We had a lot of the people on the list. A lot of the people going back and forth. Congratulations, guys. So a couple of words for today. Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve. Thank you so much. Happy holidays for those of you celebrating. It has been a lovely time for now. It has been an amazing year, but we're going to be back with 2 or 3 more streams this year, right? So next week, early next week, we stream on Monday, Tuesday for sure. I don't know about Wednesday. So once again, guys, thank you so much. Looking forward to it. We keep in touch on Discord. Have a blessed time. Have a blissful moment. Wish you the best to your friends, to your family members, to your loved ones. And of course, looking forward to our next great experiences. Thank you once again, guys. Once again, have a lovely time.